Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mabel Canada's YouTube channel. Today I am going to replace my inside screen protector. I have this Galaxy Zfold 3. In my past video I replaced the screen protector on the front. But now unfortunately this original screen protector in here is peeling off already, as you can see there. You see? And every time you open it, there's a popping up sound. There's a popping sound. So now I'm going to replace it before it breaks my original screen. So anyway guys, I have this Dome Premium Gen Film Premium Foldable Device Protect Solution. So this screen protector, when you are installing it, there's a guide here. It's hard to make a mistake when you're putting this screen protector here. So let's open this up. Anyway, if you're going to like this screen protector, click the link below. You will find it there. It's not expensive, it's very affordable. So this is going to be the guide. This is the installation guide, and then this is the squeegee. You just press it, you know. This is where we are going to put the phone here. So anyway, there is the screen protector. Anyway, we have to remove this first. So we are going to put this here. So it says here camera. So that's the guide here. And then these are the wipes. So that once you put this, once you remove the original screen protector, you're going to clean it. And then, you know, this is the dust absorber. Dome glass, you know, and then the wipes here. Anyway, as much as possible before you replace this with a new screen protector, much better if you do not remove the old one first, so that when you remove it, it's gonna be still going to be clean. You no need to clean it very well because it's still clean, no dust yet. There. So this is the original. So for me, I'm not gonna, I think I'm just gonna wipe it here. So while it's still clean, but first we have to put this here. There. And then we are going to put the screen protector here. There's no mistake here because when you put this, it says here bottom. But before we put that, we have to remove this first. We have to peel it out like this. And then put this here. Okay, now we are going to use this squeegee from bottom to the top. Okay, this is the guide here. Then we are going to push it like this. Slowly. Okay. after that we can okay, there's a bubble here, but it says that the whole day, overnight, the bubble will go away. It's much better now. There's one bubble here, but it's gonna fade. So this is a good screen protector. This is the right screen protector, and it has a guide. It's not hard to install the screen protector. Okay guys, as you can see, there's no bubbles anymore. It's good when you are replacing your screen protector with a guide, just like what I did. So at first, you will see a little bit of bubbles, but don't be upset. Just wait and let it sit for a day. The bubble will not be there anymore. So look at this. You see, the guide is way better when you are putting the screen protector, because it's pinpoint accuracy putting the screen protector to your Galaxy Z Fold 3. This also fit to Galaxy Z Fold 4. So guys, if you like this screen protector, click down link below. That's where you can buy this. It's really worth it buying this screen protector. It's way better than the original screen protector. You won't regret buying this or having this kind of screen protector. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.